Hi guys, welcome to Insight Lab. In this video, we are discussing question number 4A and B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you are looking for this, contact us anytime so that we will provide all answers accordingly. 4A and B. A is define gains of complete and incomplete information. Second one is from the following payoff matrix where the payoffs are the years of possible imprisonments for individuals A and B determine. First is optimal strategy for each individual. Second one is do individuals A and B face face a prisoner's dilemma. Individuals. If you need any other help, aloo e gobi matar aloo. If you want aloo gobi, you can purchase. Now here question number 4A and B. Here we are discussing. If you need any other help, we are here for help you. Thank you.